Hello everyone, and welcome to the third part of our series on Greek numbers. Today, we'll start from 100 all the way up to 1000. Ready? In Greek, the numbers between 1 and 9 serve as building blocks, laying the foundation for more complex numbers. When you explore the range from 200 to 900, a pattern emerges. You take the root of each number and append the suffix akosya. Pay special attention to the numbers 2 and 4, as their roots change slightly. Let's hear how these numbers sound in Greek.
Εκατό. Διακόσια. Τριακόσια. Τετρακόσια. Πεντακόσια. Εξακόσια. Εφτακόσια. Οχτακόσια. Εννιακόσια. Χίλια.
Now let's talk about combining what you've just learned with what you already know from our two-part series on numbers. Imagine you need to express the number 101 in Greek. You'd start with the term for 100. But hold on, there's a little twist for numbers between 101 and 199. In Greek, we add the letter N at the end of the term for 100. Next, you'd simply attach the term for the number that follows. In our example, that would be the number 1. Let's try another example. Say, 768. You'll grab the Greek expression for 700, which uses the root for 7. Then you tack on the words for 68, and you've got yourself another complex number. It's like assembling a puzzle where you already have all the pieces. If you need a quick refresher on the smaller numbers, don't forget to revisit the first and second parts of our number series. The link to the playlist will be in the description below. Now, let's hear a few more examples that combine larger numbers together in Greek.
135. 270. 358. 461. 509. 601. 720. 895. 999. 1503.
Now, here's a quick challenge for you. Can you guess what's 1486 in Greek? Take a moment to think about it. Have you made your choice? If you got it right, excellent job. If not, no sweat. These numbers will become second nature to you with a bit more practice. Let's keep building on what we've learned. That wraps up our lesson today on the third part on Greek numbers. If you're interested in mastering a wide range of Greek concepts for free, check out breezygreek.com. If you like this video, we would love your support. Please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with our future language explorations. See you in the next video.